Okay, so hello everyone. From this video onwards, we are going to discuss about JavaScript DOM. Okay, DOM is nothing but document object model. Okay, so we will see. So see here, all of you. So what is document? First question is what is document? So there is one document in browser. Okay, in our browser, we have one document which contains all the code of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, that object is called document. Okay, so there is one object in browser which contain your code. For example, okay, for example, what is DOM? DOM is what? Document Object Model. So this document contain what? Your HTML code, CSS code, and JavaScript code. All right. So see here, like if you want to print this document, so what you will do first? Let me write basic HTML structure. Okay, so this is how we can write HTML structure, right? And then let me give some title. Title is what? DOM. Okay, I'm giving title as DOM. Now what I will do, I have created one app.js. I will link this app.js, right? Using a script tag. Okay, inside the script tag, there is one attribute. There is one attribute called src. And inside the src attribute, I will link my app.js. Okay, and also I will link this style.css in my head section. Okay, using which tag? Using link tag. Okay, inside the link tag, there is an attribute called href. So through href, we will link our style.css. So this is how our external style sheet and external JavaScript linked, right? Now let's write some code in JavaScript and check whether it's working or not. So what I will write? I will write simple first command. Okay, what is the command? Console.log. Let me say like it's working. Okay, what is the command? What's the message I'm displaying? It's working. This is just for testing purpose. After that, what I will do, I will start my live server. Okay, so we can start a live server. Open with live server. Okay, so it is opening with live server. So what I will do, I will open this output on my Chrome browser. Okay, so Chrome browser is recommendable. So we can use Chrome browser, and here I will paste the path. Okay, URL of my live server. Okay, so where you will see your JavaScript output, you can see on console. So how you open the console? What you can do, you can right click and go to the inspect. When you go to the inspect, you will see one console tab. Go to the console tab and once again refresh it and you are getting your output. What is the output? It's working. What's the output? It's working. Means our file is linked successfully. JavaScript file linked successfully. So what I said in starting, if we are talking about document, so document is what? Document is what? Object. Okay, so this object contain what? This document contain what? This document contain our HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript code. Okay, so for example, if I write here console.log, and if I print document, okay, if I print document, so what it will display? So if I refresh it, what it is displaying? It is displaying our HTML code. Okay, and inside the HTML code, it is showing what? App.js. But we didn't write any tag in body section, so it is not displaying anything. So if I write something like h1, okay, this is h1 tag. Okay, let me save this and verify it is displaying on my browser or not. So let's open this, and inside the body, what tag we are getting? H1 tag. This is what? H1 tag. So this document contain what? Your HTML code, CSS code as well. If you will write CSS, you can see here CSS code, and this contain what? JavaScript code as well, right? Okay. Okay, so what is the selection? How many ways to select the HTML element? Okay, what is the HTML element? HTML elements, like for example, we are writing H1 tag. This H1 tag is nothing but HTML elements. Okay, like you can say elements or tag, right? You can say element or tag. This H1 element, or you can say H1 tag, right? Both are same.